Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our next edition of Tech Tuesday. So hope all the Mindlighters are doing really well today. And what we're going to walk through on Tech Tuesday today is how to use the virtual file cabinet within the Mindlight Iriis application. So welcome to all of our live users and viewers, and hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of our replay users. So if you know anyone who's utilizing the Iriis app or who needs to utilize the scheduling app, now would be a great time to invite them to our video. All right, let's get started. So if you go into the application, I wanted to start out on a list that wasn't the one we're on. We always start out with the dashboard, and on the dashboard is where you get to see the tasks that need to be done for the day. But we're actually going to go to the main menu and go down to this location here that says File Cabinet. So I click on File Cabinet, and I already loaded up one of our files, so I want to let you guys see what we were able to do there. And that particular example was just a photo of me. I'll see if we can view it. So I'll open it up. I'm gorgeous, of course, so you're going to see how cute I am. Or this may not be me. I don't know. Maybe this one. Yep. So that's me, looking awfully tired, right? But that's the document that we stored up there. So all those documents are actually stored up in the cloud. So they're not stored resident on the device, so that if anything ever happened to your device, your personal data, your personal information isn't going to end up anywhere else. So, and the other thing, this is a live video here, or a picture that we have, but we could also go in and use some tags if we wanted to do specific ones. Maybe we just, well, I'll call this one photos, but you could do something like identification, medical record, summary of visits, stuff like that, okay? All right, so that's our document that exists already. So you might also notice in the upper right-hand corner, it says 0 MB of 10 MB. That's actually tells us how much space we have utilized in our allotment of space within the plan that we've chosen. In our particular case, we haven't really used much. And you could also click those 3 ellipses, or the dots up there, and that's where we can get back into tags if we want. We could take the tag off, which I don't want to, or you can actually add a new one. And you also can use that to search. But what I wanted to show you today is about adding a new document and what I would use it for in my life. So I would click on the bottom right-hand side, there's a big circle. Click the big circle, right? So we click the circle button. And you'll notice you can do a couple things. You can take a photo or a video. You can pull a photo off of your camera or your phone, or you can browse for something that you've stored on your device. I actually think that you'll probably utilize the take photo or video more often, because if you think about it, maybe you're trying to get the doctor to see your mom has maybe a sore on her leg, and but it really looks yucky, and you want to make sure that they see what it looked like before you left, or you want, when you're at the doctor, when you get that visit summary, and everyone in your family wants to know about it, and they all keep calling and asking you, well, you could actually just go here and you click this take photo button, and it actually will ask, are you sure you want to let Iriis connect to your camera? Well, obviously I do. And in this case, this is funny, right? So we're here doing the video together, so which is kind of creepy that it just keeps going. But you can go and you can pretty much take a picture of anything. So in this case, let's see, these are my notes for today, what I'm doing, or whatever else is I'm doing. And so you can go ahead and just go to my computer, because it's not weird. We click that, and now that photo that we just took, we can use. So I'm going to use that photo, and that will now be the photo that's going to be stored into the virtual file cabinet, and we'll be able to utilize that later. So if I go back in and I look at my file cabinet, what I'll be able to see is that I've loaded the other photo. All right, so I'll go in there, add, go in here, and check out all my photos. You're just going to get to see what I've got hiding in there. And you'll be able to see that I've added the photo in. So hopefully you guys found that helpful. It was nice to have you all visiting me today. Remember, the virtual file cabinet can be used to store information when you go to appointments, or if you're trying to take a quick video of your mom or your dad or your child to show your doctor later, or you can use it to just share notes to the babysitter, like, hey, don't eat the cheesecake in the fridge, that's totally been saved for mom. All right. Well, hopefully you guys find this helpful. Thanks so much for coming by, and we'll see you again next Tuesday for Tech Tip Tuesday. Same time, same place. Talk to you soon. Bye.